Hello guys, welcome back to another video of J-Jeo. Today my little brother playing Slum from Junior Keys 2. Let's get into it right now guys. Don't waste time. Bye guys.